In spite of time-consuming processes and high costs, the overall success rate of clinical trials is only 7.9%, which is a high risk for biopharmaceutical companies. Every clinical trial needs streamlined processes, effective collaboration tools, ability to gain valuable insights, comprehensive data management system, and augmented patient experiences. At Octalsoft, we understand that patients and their quality of life are at the heart of every clinical trial. Quality of life goes beyond mere survival. That's why we prioritize patient centricity and simplicity in everything we do. For more than 15 years, our cutting-edge e-clinical solutions empower researchers, clinicians, and sponsors to streamline their processes and deliver life-changing drugs to patients while maintaining highest compliance. With us, it all begins with the need to help and get better at what we do, so clinical trials can become faster and more agile. By seamlessly integrating data management, analysis, and collaboration tools, we enable our partners to make informed decisions and breakthrough discoveries. Octalsoft's e-clinical solutions ensure that every piece of information is captured, analyzed, and reported with utmost precision to generate rich clinical evidence. With our advanced data management capabilities, you can trust that your trial data is accurate, reliable, and compliant with the highest industry standards. Join us on this journey of discovery, collaboration, and innovation. Together, we can accelerate medical breakthroughs, redefine patient care, and shape the future of healthcare.